Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, audio problem in Fortnite Battle Royale PC, Xbox One and PS4. First method is, select option. Click settings. Click accessibility settings. Turn off visualize sound effects. Click apply. Play the game. Second method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software folder. Write Epic Game folder and delete it. Click and expand HKey users. Click and expand the entries that have long strings of characters. Click and expand software folder. If any entries like Epic Games, delete that folder. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Click View tab. Click Hidden Files. Open C drive. Click and open Users folder. Click to open your username. Click to open App Data folder. Click to open local folder. Delete Fortnite game folder. Now start the Fortnite game. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.